Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. We're going to start the great name of Allah Almighty, the most merciful, the most beneficial. My name is Masaud Hassan. Today, I'm going to talking about the English, how to become fluent in English. What are the pathway? What are the gateway to become fluent in English? How to start English? How to speak English? Loudly. Sorry, loudly. There are many ways means in fluent in English. What's the meaning of fluency? Fluency means that you become able to express yourself clearly. If you express clearly everything, thought, vision, you can learn anything. English is very much important for you because English is a beneficial. If you learn English, it's open the door for you because English providing a lot of opportunities and skills for you. English is very necessary for higher education, for higher studies, foreign studies. English is very much important for interviews, for jobs, for skills you learn. So English is if even if anyone learn English can learn English, that he cannot be unemployed. He can be employed in at every stage. English is very much important. So there are many ways to speak English. There are so many applications on internet in an era of dominated world, digital world, screening, photos, chat GPT, AIs, startups that you can use with the help of internet to increase your fluency in the English. English is uh, is a language. English is a global language. Is all over the world we speaks. But my mother tongue language is different from culture source. Is a Sindhi. I am speaking. But the English for important. And if you in my last year of university, once upon a time our professor is getting class and say, if you practice more and more, you learn English. You learn in smoothly ways. You learn in continuously contemplations regularly. You can learn if you record videos, watch videos, movies, and listens videos from YouTube's different source, different applications. You practice, you record videos, then you can imagine that where is you making mistakes, what is what are the factor, what are the wrong going with the how can I speak English. So English is important. English is a very much necessary for those who are in the digital worlds, in the modern worlds, in the 21st centuries. So English. So there are many tips to become fluent in English. First of all is a grammar. Grammar is very much important for you. If you understand grammar, sentence structure, noun means part of speech and other, you can become fluent in English. And confidence is a very much important, more and more. If you have confidence to speak up, loudly speak up, even at home you can speak up loudly, loudly speak up, then you play a vital role, play a vital role. Second one is book. If you read book, if your grammar is good, then you can read book and you imagine your vocab is very much increase, so you can try to learn it. Number so it's a way to learn English. There are so many ways to learn English in the fluency. It's my little bit thought about English for all friends on YouTube channel. So it's my first vlog and I am sharing the thoughts of English here. It's a little bit hesitation. I'm frustrated, I'm confused because it's a first video, and I can inshallah to improve my English. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.